Imvela futhi uzisho zonke mhlambe baba uzilay on the table uvela uzisho
bekade ngiphusha ukuthi umacela anginikeze ulwandle ukuthi ulwandle angimfake esiswini sakamakhumalo leyo nto ayihambanga kahle ngoba umacela akavumanga so if usingayitholi solution then wena ukuze umuzi wamakhumalo ungafi you must step up uprotected wamuzi.
So manje ngishada umuntu nami?
No, angikhulumi ngokushada.
Oh.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi umuzi uprotectwa ngabantu.
Abantu kanjani ingane?
Yeah.
I don't understand what's happening right now. I don't understand what's happening right now because what I'm so sorry, Anglego, it's just the thoughts is
overwhelming.
No, it's insane to me. Mhlambe Baba feels like he's at the last straw and now he has to now call me in, but hey, not me, coach. Not me. I'm on the bench for this one. I'm so sorry. I also don't want us ukuthi ngisingene ekukhulumeni lento efika ukuthi kwanaye uvo lwakhe alokho etafuleni. I've never had an explicit conversation with Uma. I would say, girl, do you want me to bet it for you? She would rather roll over and die for me to do such a thing on her behalf. With regards to ingane, out ngoba it's not possible.
Isibindi sakamseleku, isibindi sakalo baba like angisakhoni guys, like I can't. This time like ungehlule. Okay, so umseleku naku he's having a conversation with Umpilo. So basically what he's doing is he's asking Umpilo to have a child. And then that child uzosala nomakhumalo, meaning that child uzoba ingane egada umuzi kaMakhumalo nakhona. And he's specifically asking for a boy child. Oh wow, he's reaching. Like it's a king that but first things first, like this conversation, this conversation wants both mom and dad before they even involve the child. Secondly, why does he always like to kuluma indaba zabantu abadala neingane? Like, why does he do that? I don't understand the concept of always bringing children into adults' conversations. Okwesithathu, I would like to like uphakamisela uMakhumalo ukuthi waziwayekhulisa kahle ingane, like waziwayekhulisa kahle ingane. For some reason Umpilo akazingeni nje indaba zabantu abadala, akazi-entertain, like never see her even comment. Namanje she's respectfully declining the request kababa wakhe. But engimangazile again, the outrage on social media, people were like, they thought ukuthi umseleku uthi kuMpilo bona bobabili benzingane guys nani cha isiZulu kodwa babhalile ama translation kodwa abantu still bahlula isiZulu ayikahle bafethu. Ngicabanga nina guys, please like my video guys, please comment and please subscribe to my channel. Sizwe ke in the next episode uzothini ke manje uMakhumalo bekezwe ukuthi umseleku useyicele le request. Hi.